Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi-grade fish. First, it's essential to understand that sushi-grade isn't a regulated term, but rather indicates fish suitable for raw eating. This means it has been handled and processed to minimize risks. You'll need to select the freshest possible fish from a reputable source, ensuring it's intended for raw consumption. When sourcing, look for fish that's either labeled sushi grade or sashimi grade, or has been flash frozen to specific standards. Always check for signs of freshness, clear eyes, firm flesh, and a clean, ocean-like smell, not fishy. Once you have your fish, keep it very cold, ideally below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, to maintain its quality and safety until you're ready for the next step. To eliminate potential parasites, freezing is a critical step. You'll need to freeze your fish to a temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit for a minimum of 7 days. Another option is to freeze it to -31 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 hours. After freezing, always thaw the fish slowly in your refrigerator. This gradual thawing helps preserve its texture and flavor, making it perfect for sushi. Once your fish is properly thawed, gently pat it completely dry with paper towels. This removes excess moisture, which is key for a good texture and for the fish to adhere well to rice. When slicing, always cut against the grain of the fish for the most tender, melt-in-your-mouth pieces. Now your fish is ready for your favorite sushi or sashimi preparations. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.